The admiration of genius makes one aspire for excellence in life that creates the harvest so abundant. Examples move the world more than doctrine. I take immense pleasure to recognize the valued presence of our valiant guest of the day. Our principal ma'am will do the presidential address.
Distinguished guests, my dear teachers, beloved parents, and my dearmost children. We do miss you all, children, on this landmark 75th Independence Day. On this day, I extend my warm greetings and welcome you all to a progressive India. Today, as we are celebrating this milestone, it must be interesting for you to know, not interesting, we should take pride that we are emerging as beacons in numerous spheres and emerging as one successful, potential, and prospective nation. A hard earned, priceless freedom that allows us to believe that winning, progress, relying upon value based systems are a reality. This growth has been steady and India has stood many adversities. Einstein acknowledged in gratitude, we owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discoveries could have been made. It is well to remember such salutations to India and its evolved culture. It definitely adds to our pride and self-esteem and keeps us inspiring to achieve various feats. This sweet fruit of freedom has been handed over to us by thousands of selfless people who wanted us, the future generations of this great country, to live a free life, which is our birthright. To name a few, though we have learnt many, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Kodikatha Kumaran, Vanji Nathan, Kappalotiya Tamilan, Veerabandiya Kattabomman. The list is endless. Children, we study the history of the struggle to independence and about all these great warriors, not to be forgotten with our examinations, but the values embodied in their lives to be etched in our hearts. These leaders are still alive, not physically, but in spirit. They all stood for the values for which they fought for. While we are attaining the progressive path, it must be well imbibed that the value systems of our traditions are held strong and not broken. It is thus a great responsibility to you, my dear children, the baton of the value systems passed on to us by the great people who shed their blood for us shall be carried forward with utmost integrity. That is the pride of our country. Slowly and steadily, we are and we will emerge as one of the superpowers based on values and principles. At this juncture, I'm very much delighted to welcome our guests, Commodore Ashok Rai, Vishesh Seva Medal, Dr. Sivakumar, maxillofacial surgeon, who are a life and leading example of achieving various feats in the respective profession and setting a trend that winning is possible irrespective of adversities. On this remarkable day, I would like to leave this message to you. அஞ்சியும் வாழாதே கெஞ்சியும் வாழாதே உனக்கான வாழ்க்கையை உண்மையாகவும் நேர்மையாகவும் வாழ். With this, freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls, let's salute our great nation. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind!